Well, I hope every family in the Northeast and in the tri-state area were able to stay safe, warm, and comfortable and away from any danger in the aftermath of this monumental nor'easter that just struck here mere hours ago. And you're able to enjoy a great Game Boy TV video. And by the way, if you do like this video, I suggest you click on the subscribe button below. I make more than just weather videos, I'm just saying. Um, but anyway, the following footage was captured during the storm. I didn't go beyond my street because I know that would be a little bit too dangerous. But I usually enjoy filming a storm, you know, especially a snowstorm, when the opportunity comes because it shows what the storm was like from my own neck of the woods. So without further ado, here is my experience. Okay folks, this is the look outside my house currently. It's about 11:26 in the evening. Storm's been going on for about a good 3.5, close to 4 hours right now, and this is a great gauge to see how much snow is outside right now on this table. My guesstimate for now is about 3.5 approaching 4 inches, and still got another good 6 to 7 hours with this storm, so probably by the end of tomorrow morning or tail end of the storm, we should be looking at about between 7 and 8 inches right in central southern New Jersey. Although we could overachieve. I mean, this is a gradually strengthening snowstorm. I don't know. I'm trying to get a good view of this out there. I know the camera may not be able to pick up the light very well. This is a camera which I need to upgrade very soon. But looks powdery out there, and that's what the snow is supposed to look like. So probably this is my last video tonight, and then tomorrow morning, if it's still snowing, I'll see if I can get outside, brave the cold, and capture some more pictures and footage. So good night. And good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's the morning of January 3rd. It's about 9:30 in the morning, and the snow is still coming down, but a lot of my neighbors are already starting to shovel. We got a ruler here. I'm gonna go head over to the back. Whoa, it's actually quite deep. I was probably wrong when I said that we might get 7 or 8 inches, as said in the previous clip. We did really overachieve according to what I saw this morning. We're gonna take this ruler and we're gonna see how much snow fell on the table, so we could probably get a good measure of how much snow there was. Alright, I'm gonna take the measure, get to take the ruler. Whoa. Actually, I was right after all. It looked to me like there was over like it was about a foot, but I was right. There's probably 8 inches of snow. There's 8 inches of snow on the table right now. We gotta be careful. But I see the sun starting to break out a little bit, so we're probably close to putting this storm behind us. So I can already start shoveling probably within the next hour. Believe it or not, this is only part 1 of the storm. The second part of this is the bitterly cold wind with potentially sub-zero temperatures. Wow, look at this.